So in previous class, we started the operational chart of accounts creation, right? Operational GLs creation. We created at chart of accounts level. We created 3 GL accounts at chart of accounts level. Next one, same GLs, create at company code level. Okay, what is the transaction code? Transaction code is FSS0. FSS0. Transaction code FSS0. GL account, create first GL account. Create first GL account at company code level. Create first GL account at company code level. GL account 1 lakh. GL account code 1 lakh. Company code TAMB. Company code TAMB. Sorry. GL account 1 lakh. Company code SA. SAMM. Company code SAMM. Company code SAMM. Yes, Anil, please tell me. GL account 1 lakh. Company code SAMM. Click on create button. Click on create button. Click on create button. Account currency. Account currency. Account currency INR. Account currency INR. Account currency INR. It is updated automatically from company code. It is updated automatically from company code. It is updated automatically from company code. I'm creating the GL account at company code level. First GL I'm creating. This is the first GL I'm creating. This is the GL 1 lakh salaries account. Okay. Already we created these GL accounts at chart of accounts level. Now I'm going to create this GL account at company code level. First GL account is 1 lakh. Transaction code FSS0. FSS0. GL account is 1 lakh. GL account is 1 lakh. Company code SAMM. click on create button. Click on create button. First tab is control data tab. Control data tab. And first field is currency. Currency INR. Currency INR. It is updated automatically from company code. It is updated automatically from company code. If your currency is INR, then it will update INR. If your company code currency is USD, then it will update USD. Okay? Yeah. If you want to change other than company code currency, please note down. If you want to change other than company code currency, then change, remove the INR, update your currency, example USD or some other currency. As of now, I'm using INR only. Okay, currency INR. Sir, what is the purpose of GL account group? Any idea? GL account group purpose? One is classification, other one is control the field status. Next one, generate the GL number. Okay, we have created, and during the GL account group creation, we have updated the fields control also. Right, sir? We have updated the fields control also. We created the total. This is the chart of account. We have created total three chart of account. First chart of account is operational chart of account. Second chart of account is group chart of account and country chart of account. Operational chart of account under we created the 4 groups. Operational chart of account under we created the 4 groups. Operational chart of account under we created the 4 groups. Yeah, 4 groups we created. Each group level we selected the one field, mandatory field. Okay, any idea, sir? Expense group under we selected which field mandatory? Currency. Oh, not currency. Expenses, control. We selected the only balance in local currency required. Okay, we selected the only balance in local currency required. Without selecting this only balance in local currency, system it will not allow you to move further. Okay, just to see, sir. If I press enter, then it will throw the error. This is the error. What is the error? Fill all required entry fields. Okay, automatically cursor is moving to that field. Where is the cursor now? Just to see, I'm in currency. If you press enter, then cursor will move to that field. Okay, this field is mandatory. Only balance in local currency field is mandatory. Okay, select only balance in local currency. 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 This option is required for all clearing GL accounts. This option is required. This option is required. This option is required. This option is required for all clearing GL accounts. If you select this option, all foreign currency postings, all foreign currency values, all foreign currency values, it will update in one of the table, it will update in one of the table T001 in local currency, local currency, addition to foreign currency. Addition to foreign currency. Sir, if you are not selected this option, then example, even though my local currency is INR, my GL currency is INR, but I purchased the laptop from foreign vendor. Okay, foreign vendor, example US vendor. US vendor is provided the amount in USD. Okay, amount in USD. Same information I have to record in my system, USD value. Okay, it will update. If this option is blank, then your GL balance it will update in only USD. If this option is selected, then addition to USD, it will update the values in local currency. Following, right? Yeah. Based on this option, we can clear the balances. We can clear the balances in foreign currency. We can clear the balances in foreign currency or local currency. If this option is not ticked, then we cannot clear the balances. In local currency. Okay, right, sir. Next one. We have other options, sir. I'm not touching the other options like exchange rate difference key, valuation group, tax category, posting without allowed. Okay, reconciliation account, and next alternative account number. Select alternative account number. Alternative account number. Go to drop down. Note, alternative account number nothing but country GL account. We created the country GLs, right? Okay, in this field we have to assign country GL accounts. Okay, yeah, we have to assign respective country GL account. We have to assign respective or suitable country GL account in alternative account number field. Based on this assignment, all operational GL postings, it will flow to it will flow to country GL. It will flow to country GLs. Okay. Select alternative account number, go to drop down. You have created 4, right? Income related, expense related, liability related, and asset related. Salary is an expense. This is salary GL, salary is expense. Select expense. 30 lakhs or 3 crores. Select alternative account number 3 crores. Expense tax GL. Expense tax GL. Next one. Sir, I am not touching other, sir. Account to management in external system, inflation key, tolerance group. These are all the things I am not touching. Next one. I am not touching open item also. Select line item display. Select line item display. Select line item display. Yeah, this option is required for all general ledgers. This option is required for all general ledgers. Because based on this option, it will update the line items. It will update the line items. It will update the line items in the reports. It will update the line items in the reports after posting the transactions. If this is not ticked, if this option is not ticked, if this option is not selected, then transaction data line items, it will not update, in line item reports. It will not update in line item reports. Next one, sort key. Next one is sort key. Sort key. Sort key. Select 001 posting date. Sir, go to drop down button. You can select any value, sir. You can select any value. Okay, I am selecting 001 posting date. Select sort key 001 posting date. Based on the sort key, we can sort the transactions. We can sort the transaction data line items. We can sort the transaction data line items. We can sort the transaction data line items on the basis of assignment number. On the basis of assignment number. On the basis of assignment. Assignment. On the basis of assignment. On the basis of assignment number. Sort key value. Sort key value. It will update in sort key value. It will update in it will update in assignment number field. Sort key value, it will update in assignment number field. If you select the posting date, then it will update their posting date. Okay, if you select example X name, then it will update the X name. If you select example cost center, then in your transaction data assignment number field, it will update the cost center. Okay, if you select the CPU date, then it will update the CPU date. If you select the customer number, then it will update the customer number. Whatever value is available in the assignment number, based on the assignment number value, we can sort, right? Based on this value, if you select the posting date, then it will update in the assignment number level posting date. If you select the plant, then it will update the plant, document date, branch, whatever value you selected in the sort key field, that value it will update in your line item assignment number field. Based on the assignment number, we can sort the transactions. Okay, we can sort the transactions. I will show you, sir, during the transaction data posting how it is updating. Okay, as of now, I am selecting the 001. Next, I am not touching the authorization group. I am not touching the accounting clerk. Following, right? Enter. Enter. Click on Create Bank Interest tab. Click on Create Bank Interest tab. Select field status group. Select field status group. Sir, we created the field status groups, right? Okay, field status groups we created under field status variant, right? Just go to drop down. Just observe, sir. Drop down. What is your variant? SMFS. This is your variant. Your variant under you created the 48 entries. Okay. Select suitable entry. Select suitable group. Example. This is a salary. Salary is a cost nature, right? Cost nature. Select any cost related field status group. G004 is cost related. Select G004. You can select anything, sir. But based on this general ledger nature, select suitable field status group. What is the purpose of this field status group? What is the purpose of field status group? Sir, just attending the classes, no use. What is the use? We created 4-5 days back, we created the field status group. What is the purpose of field status group? Why it's required? It's required for transaction data fields control. Based on the field status group, we can set up the transaction data layout. What field is required, what field is optional, all the things we have to specify there. Okay, in the field status group level. Example, if you have 100 fields in your transaction level, out of 100, how many fields are required, how many fields are optional, how many fields are not required? This setup we did under this group, field status group level. Based on the field status group, if you select Z004 during this GL account posting time, it will update the fields based on this field status group. Right, sir? Okay. What is the purpose of field status group? Based on the field status group, we can control the fields during the transaction data line item level postings. Okay. It will control the transaction data line item fields. Select field status group G004. Please note down. Field status group G004. Field status group is mandatory in all general ledgers. Field status group is mandatory. Field status group is mandatory in all general ledgers. Based on the field status group, It will update the fields with the status. It will update the fields with the status. In transaction data, line item level. In transaction data, line item level or line items. In transaction data, line items. Required, optional, hide. Required, optional, hide, suppress. Next. Don't select the post automatically only. Don't select. That means blank. Don't select. Don't tick. Don't select. If you select this option, then system it will not allow the manual postings. It will allow only automatic postings. Next, don't select or don't tick relevant to cash flow. Don't tick relevant to cash flow. This option is only applicable for cash and bank GLs. Cash and bank GLs. This option is only applicable for cash and bank GLs. This is nothing but contra. Option for bank reconciliation. This is nothing but contra option. Sir, in the bank reconciliation, we select C, right? Contra. Okay, that is the option. This is nothing but contra option. This is nothing but contra option for bank reconciliation. Postings. Sir, other fields I am not touching. Okay, based on the scenario, we'll discuss. The present not required. House bank, account ID, interest indicator, interest calculation frequency, date, everything we'll discuss based on the scenario wise. Present not required. Press enter. Next one. Information about company code. This is the information about company code tab. Next, information about company code tab. And observe the company code. Observe the company code assigned chart of accounts. Sir, company code level we assigned 2 chart of accounts, right? One is a country, other one is operational. One is country and other one is operational. Just to see here, sir. First step, assign operational and country chart of accounts to company code. Same these 2 chart of accounts, SMOC and SMCC updated here. SMOC, SMCC. Okay. Select save. save. Here I am not entering anything. Information tab, I am not entering anything. Select save. Select save. Select save. Observe the message, data saved without transport request. Observe the message, data saved without transport request. Observe the message, data saved without transport request. Next, create second GL account at company code level. Create second GL account at company code level. 3 lakhs. Create second GL account at company code level. 3 lakh. GL account to 3 lakh. Company code SAMM. GL account to 3 lakh. Company code SAMM. Click on create button. Click on create button. Click on create button. This is the income group, right? Income under we selected the currency mandatory field. Okay. Click on create button. Select control data tab. Select control data tab. So currency by default it is updating. See, currency is required. This option is a required option. Without selecting the currency, it will not allow you to save. Just press enter, sir. If you enter, automatically cursor it will update on that field. It is updating here, currency field. Why? Because it is a required field. It is a required field. This required optional is controlling the account to group. Account to group level we selected the currency required. Okay. But by default it is updating the currency. If you want to see the field status, then remove the currency. By default it is updating the currency. If you want to see the field status, remove. See, it is a required field. Okay, right, sir. Currency INR. I am selecting INR only. Company code currency. Select currency INR, company code currency. Select only balance in local currency. Select only balance in local currency. Select alternative account number. Select alternative account number. I have given the theory, right, already. Alternative account number. 1 crore 170. Income tax GL account. Alternative account number 1 crore 170. Income tax GL account. Select line item display. Select line item display. Select sort key 001 posting date. Select line item display. Select sort key 001 posting date. Select sort key 001 posting date. Sort key 001 posting date. Press enter. Press enter. Click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Field status group. Select a suitable group. This is sales related, right? Revenue. Select field status group. Select field status group. G029 revenue accounts. G029 revenue accounts. Select enter. I am not selecting any other option. This post automatically blank, relevant to cash flow blank. Okay. Enter. Click on information about company code. Click on information about company code. No changes. Save. No changes. Save. No changes. Save. Observe the message, data saved. Observe the message, data saved. Observe the message, data saved. Create third GL account. Create third GL account at company code level. Create third GL account at company code level. GL account 5 lakh. GL account 5 lakh. Company code SAMM. Company code SAMM. Click on create. Click on create. Select control data. Select control data. Sir, this is a liability, right? Capital. Liability level. We selected the line item management required. Line item management required. If you press enter, system it will throw the error. Fill required entry. Cursor is automatically updated in line item field. Okay. Click on create button. Select control data. Account currency INR. Account currency is INR. Only balances in local currency. Select only balances in local currency. Tick mark. Alternative account number. To suitable alternative account number. Country GL. This is liability. 5 crore. 5 7 zeros. Alternative account number 5 7 zeros. 5 crores. Select line item display. Select line item display. Sort key 001. Sort key 001. Posting date. Press enter. Posting date. Press enter. Click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Field status group. Field status group. If you have any capital related, then select capital related. There is no capital. Select Z001 general. Select Z001 general. If suitable group is not available, then select general group Z001. Select field status group Z001. Press enter and save. Press enter and save. I am not touching other fields, but this tab there is no change. No changes. Select save. Observe the message data save. Observe the message data save. Next scenario. Third, step 3. Use central GL creation transaction. Use central GL account. Use central GL account creation transaction. Modify the GL account in one go at chart of account level and company code level. Chart of account and company code. Chart of account, company code data. Chart of account or company code data. Or company chart of account and company code data. Okay. So we created separately chart of account information separately and company code information separately. Following, right, sir? If you want to create together in single transaction, use FS00. Transaction code is FS00. FS00. Just observe, sir, this is a 1 lakh, right? This FS00 only applicable for operational chart of account. Okay, this is applicable for only operational chart of account. See, this is the first GL we created. Total 6 steps updating. Type description, control data, create bank interest, keywords, information about chart of account, information about company code. 6 steps. This is a type description. This is belongs to chart of account. Control data. This is belongs to company code. Create bank interest. This is belongs to company code. Keywords. This is belongs to chart of accounts. Information about chart of account. This is belongs to chart of accounts. First tab, fourth tab and fifth tab belongs to chart of account. Second, third, sixth belongs to company code. Okay, last tab is company code. If you want to modify anything, then go to modification, change button. Example, I want to add the name, some other. Okay, during the creation, I selected the P&L, but this is a balance sheet GL. Okay, any field, sir. If you want to change anything, then go here and change. Following, right? See. Create fourth GL account. Create fourth operational GL account. Create fourth operational GL account. Create fourth operational GL account using the central transaction. Using central transaction FS00. Using FS00. FS00. GL account 7 lakh. GL account 7 lakh. Company code SAMM. Company code SAMM. Click on create. Click on create. So here see total 6 tabs updating. Okay. Instead of going to chart of account separately, company code separately, use this transaction code and create the GL account. Okay, operational GL account. Select type description tab. Select type description tab. Account group. Account group. Which group, sir? This is belongs to which group? What is the GL? This is cash. Cash belongs to which group? Assets, right? Select account group asset. Select account group asset. Select account group asset. Asset belongs to P&L or balance sheet. Select balance sheet radio button. Select balance sheet radio button. Short name and long name cash account. And long name cash account. Short text, long text. Short name, long name. Trading partner SCAM GPC. Trading partner SCAM GPC. Group account number. Go to drop down, select suitable group account. $70 lakh, right? Cash and bank account. Group account number 70 lakh. Cash and bank. Cash and bank. Click on control data. Click on control data tab. Account currency INR. Account currency INR. Only balance in local currency. Account currency INR. Only balance in local currency. Alternative account. Asset 7 crores, 7 zeros. Alternative account number 7 crores. Asset tax GL. Select line item display. Select line item display checkbox. Select line item display checkbox. Next one, sir, here sort key observe. Sort key it is updating with the required mark, mandatory mark. Why? Because we are creating this GL account in asset group. Okay, asset group level. In asset group level, we selected the sort key required. Okay, sort key required. That's why it is updated with the required mark here. Select sort key 001. Posting date. Select sort key 001 posting date. Select create bank interest data tab. Select create bank interest tab. Select field status group. Suitable group. What is the GL? We are creating which GL, sir? What is the GL name? Cash, right? GL name is cash.
Yes,
and just to check whether any GL is any group is available related to cash. Yes, we have G005. Select G005 field status group. Select G005 field status group and select contra account. What is the contra field here? What is the contra field here? Good.
Bank
Relevant
interest.
to cash flow. Select relevant to cash flow. Cash is a contra GL. Cash and bank GLs. Cash and bank GLs are contra GLs. All contra GLs, we have to select the relevant to cash flow. Okay, right, sir? Remaining other fields common. I'm not touching other fields. Okay. Keywords, you know, right? What is the purpose of keywords? If you want to see the GL name in different language, then update the Use the keywords, update the language. Example, I want to see in Arabic language. Cash name in Arabic. This is the Arabic name. Okay. Next, information about chart of account. What is the group chart of accounts assigned? SMGC. Next, what is the company code chart of accounts? What is the operational chart of account? What is the country chart of account? This is information related tabs. Information about chart of accounts, information about company code. Okay. Press enter and save. Press enter and save. Following, right, sir? Now in operational chart of account level, how many GLs we created? In operational GL level, how many GLs created? Total 4 GLs we created. 4 GLs, right? First one salaries, second one sales, third one capital, fourth one cash. Next, create fifth GL account. Create fifth operational GL account. Create fifth operational GL account using the central transaction. Using central transaction FS00. Using central transaction FS00. 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 GL account code 1,01,000. GL account code 1,01,000. Sir, 1 lakh range belongs to which group? 1 lakh range belongs to which group?
Profit and loss.
Sir, group. Income, asset, which group? Not income. It is the expense group. Sir, after going to home, please refer the notes. Just attending the class, what is the use? 1 lakh is income. Expense, not income. Expense group. Let me show you. See here. 1 lakh series is expense. 3 lakhs to 4 lakh is income. 5 lakh to 6 lakhs is liabilities. 7 lakh to 8 lakh is okay. If you see any one series, that is expense series. If you see any 3 series, that is liability series, not income series. If you see any 3 series, then that is income. If you see any 5 series, then that is liabilities. If you see any 7 series, then that is asset series. I am creating 1,01,000. That is expense series. GL account 1,01,000. Company code SAMM. Company code SAMM. Can you please go on mute? SAMM. Click on create. Click on create. Account group. Account group. Is it asset? No. Expenses. Not incomes. Not liabilities. It will throw error, sir, if you select wrong also. Okay. It is expense related. Account group expenses. Select P&L. Select P&L. What is the name? Name is rent account. Short name and long name. Rent account. Trading partner same. SAM GPC. Trading partner same. SAM GPC. You can create separately. Chart of account separately. Company code separately. Or use this transaction to create the complete GL account. Group account number. Account number. What is the expense? Other expense. This is rent paid, not rent received. We don't have any rent paid group. We don't have any rent paid group. But this is the expense. Then select the other expenses group. Select 30 lakhs for group account number 30 lakhs for other expenses group. Click on control data. Click on control data. Account currency INR. Only balance in local currency. Only balance in local currency. Alternative account number. I am not selecting, sir. It is optional. Alternative account number. Optional. Alternative account number optional. Here we have to select the group country GL, right? I'm not selecting the country GL. It is optional. Alternative account number blank. Line item display. Sort key 001. Posting date. Sort key 001. Posting date. Click on create bank interest data tab. Please, sir. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Create bank interest tab. Even though small doubt, please ask me. I'm ready to give the answer. Create bank interest tab. Field status group. This is rent, right? Rent paid. It is a cost. Select cost field status group. What is the cost field status group? G004. Select field status group G004. Select field status group G004 and the remaining other tabs not required. Optional tabs. Out of 6 mandatory tabs are 3. One is type description, belongs to chart of account. Second one, control data belongs to company code. Create bank interest belongs to company code. 1, chart of accounts tab is mandatory. 2, company code tabs are mandatory. Out of 6, 3 tabs are mandatory, 3 tabs are optional. Okay, right? If you want to update any different language, then use keywords. If you want to check information about company code, information about chart of account, use this information tabs. Select to save. Observe the message, data saved. Observe the message, data saved. Data saved. Sir, how many operational GLs we created? Till 5.
5
First one is sales, salaries. Third one, capital, cash and rent. Total 5 GLs we created. How to check all the GLs list? How to check the GLs list? Next one, GL masters reports. Display GL masters reports. Display GL master reports. Display GL master reports. Display GL master reports. Display GL master reports. Please note down the path. SAP menu. SAP menu. Accounting. accounting, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, information system, general ledger, information system, general ledger reports, master data, check all reports, not only one, check all the reports. We have many, check all the reports. Okay, sir, just observe here, this is your homework, sir. After general ledger's creation, just to check here, this is chart of accounts information 2326. Just to update the chart of account here, SM, OC, first operational, execute. Your operational GLs will display. How many GLs we created? Total 5. Salaries, rent, sales, capital, cash. This is chart of accounts information it will give. Next, country. Country level, how many GLs we created? 4. Income, expense, liability, asset. And next one. Total 16. See, 16 GLs it is displaying. This is a report. Okay, just a report. How many GLs we have? What is the GL code? What is the GL name? Next one. This is one report. And a list of GL accounts. This is another report. See, if you want to check the company code, what is the company code? SAMM. Select all company code, status, cash, bank, execute. It will give this information. Example, first GL. Okay, first GL, general data, text is salaries, GL account is chart of accounts level, no posting block. Each GL information it is giving. See, balance local currency selected, line item selected, field status group Z004, relevant to cash flow not selected, blank. Each and every field information it is providing here. Not only one, all GL accounts. Next one is a 1,01,000 rent account. Next, 5 lakh capital, salaries, sales. Just to validate during your practice. Okay, right, sir? And next GL we have assignment manual. Manual is display GL changes, list of GL accounts, company code, SAMM. Check all reports, not only one. Just to select the company code or chart of account. Okay, right, sir? Yeah. Next, general ledger master data tables. Next one, general ledger master data tables. 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 You can note down this. Chart of accounts. Chart of accounts level GL creation. Chart of accounts level GL creation table, SKA1. Company code level GL creation table, SKB1. Tables important, sir, interview point of view. Tables important. If interviewer is asking what is a GL chart of account data table, SKA1. What is the GL company code data table, SKB1. SKA1, SKB1. SKA1 and SKB1. Display tables. Next one. Display. Next step. Display GL tables. Display GL tables. display GL tables. Sir, table display transaction code is SE16N. SE16N. Display table transaction code is SE16N. SE16N. Enter the table. Example SKA1. Table SKA1. Table SKA1. Enter. SKA1. Enter. Execute. Execute. Enter table SKA1. Execute. We have many data, right? Before execution, just select your chart of account. What is the table? This is chart of account table. Select your chart of account. SMCC. SMCC. Select your chart of account. SMCC. Execute. SMCC. Execute. This is the execution button, sir. This is execution button. Execute. Execute. How many GLs we have? Total 4 GLs. See here, all GL fields it is updating here. What is the chart of account? What is the name of the chart of account? Whether this is a balance sheet ticked or profit and loss account ticked. What is the group account number? When this GL account created? Created by whom? Okay, P&L statement, and next one account to group, trading partner. What is the name of the GL account? What is the name of the GL account? Everything it is here, it is updated. Following, right? Next, see your group GLs. Group GLs. Total 16 group GLs we created. 16, right? 8 P&L, 8 balance sheet. Next one, operational. Operational under we created 5 GLs. See, 5. 3 P&L GLs, 2 balance sheet GLs, cash and capital. Validate each and every data, group account number, correct or not. Validate each and everything. Okay, yes. Select back. Select back. Change the table SKB1. Change the table SKB1. Press enter. Change the table SKB1. Press enter. Observe the company code. Sorry, enter the company code. What is our company code? SAMM. Enter the company code SAMM. Enter the company code SAMM. Execute. Enter the company code SAMM. Execute. So here only company code information, here it is updating. Company code information we have to enter in 3 tabs. One is a control data tab, bank interest tab, and other one information about chart of accounts. Sorry, company code. Information about company code. One is control data. Second one is create bank interest data. Third one, information about company code. These 3 tabs information it will store in SKB1. Right? See here, what is the GL account? GL account created date. Created by whom? Field status group. What is the currency? What is the relevant to cash flow, whether selected or not? And what is the sort key? What is the alternative account number? One GL level we have not selected the alternative account number, right? Rent GL level. Okay. Only balance in local currency. Remaining other fields. We ticked some fields. We use some field. Some fields still blank. That's why it is updated with blank fields. Following, right, sir? Any questions still here? SE16N, yeah, good question. SE16 also same similar to SE16N. Just to see the screen, tell me the difference. Okay, see the screen. Here, first you have to enter the table name. Both are table access transactions only. Here, it is updating all the fields, not only one or two. Every field it is updating. But in SE16N, it is updated the first table name. First you have to select the table, enter. Later it will update the fields. But here the selection fields also lesser compared to SE16N. SE16N it is showing the company code, GL account, everything. But here only GL account company code is showing. Okay. If you want to view the different fields, then again go to settings. Go to settings. Fields for selection. Example, I want to view the selection. I want to update the account to currency. Sort key. Tolerance group. Then select those fields. It is updated. Okay. But here you don't have any choice. By default, it will update all the fields. The selection. This is a selection screen. Selection screen. It will give all the information. This is a clear transaction code. Okay. Functional consultant suitable transaction is 16N. Technical consultant suitable transaction is 16. Okay. Everything they know, right? What is the technical name? How to select everything they know. That's why their suitable transaction is 16. Functional side table access transaction is 16N. That is the only difference. Field selection is the difference. Otherwise, everything it will give the same output. Example, company code SKB1. Company code is SAMM. It will give the same output. See, 5 GLs we have. 1 lakh, 1 lakh 1, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 7 lakh. Here also it will give the same. Okay. Here we have two transactions, sir. One is SE16 or use SE16N. But always better to use 16N. Okay. 16N instead of 16. It is too early. Why we are using 16N 16? Later end of the course you will understand. Okay. What is the difference between 16 and 16N? Okay, right? Any questions till here? If you are comfortable, then I am moving to the next topic. Next topic is transaction data basic configuration. Now masters are available. Okay. To post any transaction data, it's required the masters. Posting the transaction data, it's required the masters. Now masters are available, but still we have to complete this some basic configuration. That is transaction data basic configuration. Prerequisites. Transaction data prerequisites or transaction data basic configuration. Without completing this configuration, system it will not allow you to post any transactions. To post one basic transaction, it's required this configuration. This configuration purely transaction data specific, not masters. Transaction data basic configuration or transaction data prerequisites. Transaction data basic configuration, transaction data prerequisite. Please note down this. 11 steps we have to complete. 11 steps, 11 configuration steps we have to complete. Otherwise, no postings. It will not allow any postings. Transaction data basic configuration. So I will start the transaction data configuration in next session. Till here, any questions, sir? Any doubts?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, is this transaction codes or standard, or it will vary from company
Transaction
to
codes are
company?
standard.
Okay.
Transaction codes are standard. Stepwise transaction code is standard. Example, physical year variant OB29 is standard. Okay. If you want to access the physical year variant, access through this transaction code OB29. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This
Thank you.
OB29 is allocated for only physical year variant, not other. Okay, right? Any other questions? I will tell you, sir. It is too early. Posting keys are standard. As part of transaction data, I will explain. Transaction data posting. This is a configuration. That is posting. During the posting, I will explain. Okay. Just wait 1 week, sir. I will explain that.